So friends, today's reaction is Birch reduction, which is very important reactions. So let us understand the reaction first. What happen in Birch reduction? So in Birch reductions, generally arenes or aromatic compound that is reduced by various metals. So here metals are used generally lithium, sodium or potassium metals are generally used, and reaction medium is liquid ammonia is used as well as the alcohol is used. And if here on arene on aromatic system, suppose carboxylic acid group, so carboxylic acid group is considered as a electron withdrawing group. If electron withdrawing group is there, then reduction is occurred at these position, that means at these carbon and these carbon. So this would be the product as per the Birch empirical rules, where product having a two double bond where substitution is not there. Okay, now let us understand the mechanism. So what happens? So basically there are two step of mechanism. In first step there is a formation of the electron is taking place. So suppose M is equal to any metal, say for example lithium, sodium or proton. So under ammonia, under liquid ammonia, it is converted into the electrons. Okay. Now this is called single electron transfer mechanism. Now this one electron that is transferred at these positions. Now look at here, I have drawn these arrow, that means single electron transfer. Suppose I have drawn these kind of arrow, then it's a pair of electron transfer. Okay, now I have drawn fish hook kind of arrow. So one electron from the metal is shifted at here. The bond between this pi bond is break down. One electron shifted at here. One electron comes at here. Again, this bond is also break down. One electron shifted at here and another electron comes at fourth position. So now look at here, one electron that is coming from these pi bond and one electron that is transferred by metal. So here there is a pair of the electron is taking place, and here there is only single electrons. Okay, and here the double bond is transformed from these to these position because of one electron that is uh, uh, shifted from this pi bond to these second position, and one electron by homolytic cleavage is shifted from these pi bond to these positions. So one electron from here and one electron from here, that will make a new pi bond. Okay, now one electron it is available at fourth positions. Now these extra unshared pair of electron that accept the proton from the alcohol, and this alkoxide anion that is remove. Then after metal, again there is a role of metal where it transfer the single electron. So single electron transfer at here. So one electron is already there with fourth positions, and here one electron is transferred by the any metal. It may be lithium, it may be sodium, it may be potassium. Then here there is a pair of the electrons again that accept the proton, and this alkoxide is removed. So by these way we are getting the product where none of the pi bond having a substitution on it. So this is the product when the starting material having a electron withdrawing group. So carboxylic acid is a electron withdrawing group. That's why we are getting the product where these all four positions where there is a no substitution is taking place. This is as per the Birch empirical rule. So this is another kind of starting material. So in Birch reductions, here starting material where substituted group is electron donating group. Okay, so as per the Birch empirical formula, when electron withdrawing group are there, so product that would be differ, it is called 1,4 reduced product. But here as per the Birch empirical rule, the product that is somewhat different than electron withdrawing group if it is attached at the aromatic system. So it would be the product when electron donating groups are attached on the aromatic systems. So mechanisms are same. First is formation of the electrons. So from metals electrons are produced, and then in mechanism single electron is transfer is taking place. So here there is a transfer of the single electron. Okay, then after what happened, these both electrons shifted at here and these electrons shifted at here. So here there is a pair of electron. Now this pair of electron accept the proton and alkoxide group is removed. So here there is a CH bonding is taking place. Now again here there is a role of the metal. Again it transferred the single electron. So now here there is a pair of the electron. So again this pair of electron accept this proton. The bond between oxygen and hydrogen is breakdown and electron shifted on oxygen. Again OR minus alkoxide group is reduced and ultimately reduction is occurred at these two positions when methoxy groups are available at aromatic system. And as per the Birch empirical formula, so in previous case what happened, in previous case this would be the product. Okay, so carboxylic acid group is attached at the carbon where there is a no double bond is there. Okay, but in case of suppose electron donating group is there, so here there is a double bond in product, here there is a no double bond in product. So this is called Birch empirical rules. So when starting material having electron donating group, so at that time the bond that is reduced at second and fifth positions, and if starting material electron withdrawing groups are there, then it would be reduced at 1 and 4th position. So this is called Birch empirical rules. Thank you.